I'm now going to show the conversion to make this operator work on a left swinging door. We're removing the cord set because we're going to rewire this cord set and move it from this side of the operator through a chase in the operator and reconnect it where it started. I've twisted together the wires to make it easier, and we're going to insert them into the chase, push them through, and then we'll reconnect them back into the circuit board in a color-coded fashion. Okay, here's the wire coming out, and this is going to be reconnected into the black, the red, the green, and the yellow. Now we're going to clip this back in, and it's coming out the left-hand side, and we'll go back in and clip the battery back in place. And we will neaten up the wires so that we're able to put on the cover. Now I'm locating the left-hand, right-hand door switch. This will convert the rotation of the shaft to go the appropriate direction, and we flip the switch typically towards the hinge or towards the wire coming out of the operator. These are the primary adjustments. This is the weight adjustment, allowing the person time to get through the door before the door automatically closes behind them. This dial adjusts how far the door swings open. Now we're going to install the low voltage transformer wire kit. So that holds that wire down temporarily, and then we'll put some caulking on that and hide that wire even more. This installation isn't going to need much of this wire, so we're going to cut it off. Now I'm going to pin this wire down. Okay, and the second one to bring the wire across. Now I'm going to reconnect the transformer. There's no polarity. Either wire can go to either terminal. The transformer comes with a screw that holds it into the wall. And this is very important because a lot of times we'll find service calls where people have unplugged the transformer, and that allows the battery to die in the open sesame unit. So this is a nice touch to screw this in. And we have a green light here that indicates that we have power coming to this. This is a live transformer. This is important because sometimes people plug these into outlets that are switched. So this is very important troubleshooting to know that you have electrical power to your outlet and your transformer's working. It's now time to install the open sesame door operator. Typically it's mounted 2 inches over, and the arm is going to be connected at 13 inches over. These are actually non-critical dimensions. In some instances the operator is mounted 4, 5, 6 inches over, and there's applications where that will be necessary to do. One thing I'd like to show is that the metal transfer plate, this is what actually holds the operator onto the door, and that's screwed into the top of the door, and there are no screws in this instance being put into the face of the door to hold the operator. Okay, we've got all of our screws we need in the screw packet to mount the operator on the door. I'm going to pre-drill these holes up here so that I can get it really nice and tight, snug up to the door. Now I'm going to put in the screws to now we're going to shut the door to make that screw more accessible. Now we're going to plug the unit in to the phone jack connection, and There's the green light. That indicates that we've got power from the transformer. Green light on the transformer, green light here. We're good to go. Next thing I'm going to do is we want to adjust this door close sensor. So we're going to turn on the unit, and when I move the wheel over, the red light turns on, and that's the home position telling the electronics that the door is shut, and we'll see how that works. Now we're going to turn the door operator on, and we're going to check the movement of the door. It's actually easier to test the door with it open to see if it's working properly than getting the involvement of the strike in quite yet.